y'all, it's your girl Jordan, and I am back with another video. If you're new to this channel, hey boo, my name is Jordan. I'm a finesser, a fly dresser. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Welcome back, everybody. I am doing a wig install and style. This style right here that I am doing in this video today. I have been losing my train of thought. I don't know what it is, but my aura is completely thrown off today. I cannot think straight. I am having a hard time functioning. And in this video, you will see that I struggle to get this style. And I don't know what is going on today, but I will get through it and make this beautiful style. I wanted to do this for the holidays. This is the look that I'm going to be wearing my hair for Christmas. So I thought it'd be really cute, and I wanted to try to show you guys how I do this wig install. I don't know what is going on. Oh God, goodness. But before we get into this video, you guys, I am finally at 100 subscribers. Thank you all so much. So you know what that means, girl. That means it's giveaway time. And I picked up a surprise giveaway for one lucky winner. And I will show you what the giveaway is at the end of this video, and also tell you the rules on how you can win this giveaway. A nice gift from Sephora. Again, you guys, I love Sephora, and I wanted to gift you guys something from there. So if you want to see how I do this install and want to hear about the giveaway, and also this video is going to be a special shout out video. At the end of this video, I will be shouting out some businesses from some people that you can buy things from or check them out. So keep on watching. You guys, so this is the wig I'm going to be installing. It is, I believe, 22 inches. Deep wave. I've wore it before. It's nothing new, but I just wanted to do this style and install. And I do not, I don't remember what I was gonna say. Anyway, yeah, so this is a full lace wig. I just kind of put it on lightly, but I don't like that Ghost Bond glue stuff, and I already pushed back all my baby hairs as much as I could. Okay, so that's usually how I just glue down the outer part. Whenever I was making this wig, I accidentally cut this part too short, so sometimes it don't act right. I feel like I need to add a little more glue here. Okay, so now I'm going to do the baby hairs, and you guys, I hate doing baby hairs so much. And I'm definitely not the best. Look, you can see the line, makeup running down. But I'm going to use this mousse. This is the mousse that I always use. And then I have this brush. Excuse me. And this side, I accidentally like tweezed like a little too much, so I feel like you always see that band. But I don't know, I just try to like ignore it the best I can. I just use that much. My scissors, but I don't. So there's one side, baby hair's done a little bit. And for this style, I don't need a lot of baby hair, so I'm just gonna do the two on the side. So another clip. But girl, that was a struggle just to get that. Okay. Where is, over here. All right, so now I want to separate all of this. Okay, I can't really tell like if how even it is from this angle. Let me see. No. But for me, when I'm not like a perfectionist, I'm like I like effortless, like looks like it looks like I just kind of threw it together and it happened to like, it just turned out cute. So that's always, I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but that's kind of like always the look that I go for. Just like a really like effortless like look. So having it like perfectly even is not like a big deal for me. But I don't want it to be like, you know, look like really, really bad, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know if I'm making any sense here. Okay, so now that I have, let me just double check this. Okay, so that's not bad. Oh, this mirror looks so much better over here. Okay, so this is probably gonna be like my ponytail here. So let me put this in just like a loose ponytail so I can get the bangs. This is a lot of work. Doing it on camera is way different than doing it, you know, by myself. Oh gosh. Come on, little piece. Okay. Now that that is out of the way, I don't know how if I'm gonna keep that there because it's just it was in the way. Okay, so now that I picked out the bang pieces, I'm going to fix the ponytail. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take out a piece probably about this big, and I'm gonna wrap it around the ponytail. And you wanna spray hairspray, preferably got to be, because it will keep it in place. And each time you wrap it, I just spray it because it'll just give it like extra hold. And smooth it out too. Spray it down, which I just sprayed it down. So there is the ponytail. Look. Okay, not bad. Actually, I don't like this part. I'm almost done. Let me untwist this. I feel like this is a cute look for the holidays, or like if you're going out. I don't know, I just love this like half up and down style, and the bangs make it really like playful and fun. I'm just gonna take this and just try to flatten these parts as best as I can, but like I need to separate some. This side is so cute, and then this side is like whatever. Look, I think I got too much hair like right here, but I'll make this work. No. Even still, this won't stay, So, I mean, it's not necessarily like what I thought. No, it's definitely not even close to what I wanted it to be. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I did have to go off camera to just fix the ponytail and make sure the part was like cool. I know it's not like the most even part. Like I said, I'm not like a perfectionist. I like just kind of a quick, effortless look. Like it didn't take me no time at all to pull this look together, even though it feels like it took me forever. And it was a struggle. Yes, I was trying to finesse this look the best way that I can. So comment down below and let me know what you think. I'm gonna add some water to the ends of this hair. I did not want to like put wand curls in it because I just kind of like how this hair naturally is. But I think maybe for Christmas, this is a look I'm gonna wear for Christmas. I may add like just some wand curls just to make it, you know, even more like cuter. Maybe like a little more like sleek, I think, with the wand curls, where this is more just kind of like a, you know, wild, effortless style. Maybe for the holidays, I'll do wand curls all over for Christmas. And let's go ahead and get started with this shout out to these businesses. So the first business is Serene Glow. It is my personal best friend. She gifted me this body butter shimmery lotion for my birthday, and I really love it. It is this cute little shimmery. I always put it on like my chest and stuff when I want to look extra glowy, and of course in the summertime it was very, very glowy. So this is how it looks. I really like it. It's so soft and smooth, and right now she has some holiday pieces that you can order. I believe all that's left is an 8-ounce. Serene Glow on Instagram. If you mention me, Jordan, or this YouTube video, Jordan Finesse, you will get a discount if you order from her. So yes, Buy Black, you guys. That's my girl. Shout out to Chantel and her business, Serene Glow. So the next business, and forgive me if I say this wrong, but it is Forever Uzuri, and it is Forever Uzuri on .com and Forever Uzuri on Facebook. Check her out. Uzuri is spelled is Uzuri. Oh my gosh, I am struggling today to talk. But yes, shout out to her. You can go on there and order you some stuff. And the next and final business is Transcend Healing Center, Your Body and Mind. And you can find that on Facebook. I kind of looked real quick. I'm not sure if there was like an actual website, but if you go to Facebook and you put in Transcend Healing Center, Your Body and Mind, you will find that on Facebook. It is yoga with special focus on anxiety, depression, and trauma healing. You know, I just wanted to do a shout out to businesses. I feel like, you know, we all need to help each other out. None of this was, I wasn't paid to do any of that. I just want to do something nice for some people. Some of these people I know, some I do not know. But I just wanted to do something nice and shout some people out. So I hope you guys buy something from them. So the moment you guys have been waiting for is the giveaway. I just want to say first and foremost, again, thank you guys for getting me to 100 subscribers. I know we're going to get way higher than 100, but I told you guys I want to do a giveaway, and I'm sorry the giveaway was not in time for Christmas, but it is a Christmas gift from me to you. So I hope you enjoy it. And it is this, I picked up, ta-da! I picked this up from Sephora, and it is this Gucci Flora fragrance. I'm jealous. I want one. I don't have any fragrance Gucci, but I just thought this would be a cute little gift, something I would love. So I wanted to gift it to you. If you want to win this giveaway, the rules are you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I will check. You must be following me on Instagram. I will also check that. And the last thing is to when I post this picture for the video on my Instagram page, like the picture and leave a red heart under the picture, and I will select somebody to win this prize. You have until Monday for me to, I'm gonna make my video shouting out the winner in Monday's upload. Gosh, I'm having a brain fart today. I don't know why. Oh, get it together. Anyway, I don't know. So this is the gift. If you want to win it, follow those rules. Must be subscribed to this channel, must be following me on Instagram, like and comment a red heart down below this picture for this video. So that is the giveaway rules. Monday, the giveaway will be, and I will be announcing the winner. So thank you guys all so much for watching me struggle once again and bearing with me for this holiday look. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and comment down below on what you thought. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.